Hi guys, going to do a review on one of these pop-up fire pits. You can buy them from BCF. We got this one for $99. We're going to try it out. It's the first time we've ever used one. We've always had open fires on the ground, but there's a lot of places that you can't have an open fireplace, or an open fire, so you need to have a fire pit. So we've decided to get one of these new pop-up fire pits. And yeah, well, let's unpack it and see how we go. So it's no bigger than a normal camp chair. In fact, it's a lot smaller than a camp chair. Weighs a lot less. So it comes in a nice little box. The bag itself is made of canvas with a carry sling. It seems to be quite sturdy. The zip is not real great on it. You might want to, if you're looking at one of these, you might want to check the zip on the bag. There's an instruction manual in here with it, which gives instructions on setting up, heat shield setup, grill plate setup, all those sort of great things to go with it. Comes with a couple of straps that holds everything together, Velcro straps. There we go. You have a stainless steel wire mesh. Now, this fire pit measures 600mm by 600mm across, so it's actually quite a large fire, and apparently it holds around about 30 kilos of timber. I'll just put that aside. Now the frame itself, it just opens up similar to a folding chair, like a camp chair, like so. The sides are made of aluminium angle iron with holes in the base to line up with the pegs on the framework. So it's just a simple matter of placing them on. Like so. Very, very simple setup. The trick with the wire mesh, it has folds on each edge, and it seems to be welded together. Make sure that that fold, you can see there, make sure that fold is facing downwards. Otherwise you're going to get ash and all that sort of stuff inside there. That's it, fire pit is set up. So that took less than a minute. So I'm very, very impressed with that. The wire mesh seems quite sturdy, and the whole thing is actually very, very sturdy framework, so it's not going to tip over. Even in really strong winds, it's not going anywhere. You've got high sides on it, so you're not going to get coals falling out, burning your grass. You're not going to get any ash. This is a very, very fine mesh, so nothing really is going to fall through this and set fire to the ground below. You will probably get quite a bit of heat, radiant heat, onto the grass below, which could turn it brown, in which case there is an optional extra that goes with the fire pit, which is a heat shield that you can actually put underneath it. You can see your local BCF store to get one of those if you need to. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to light a fire in this thing and get it going and see how it goes. So we've had our fire last night and we've got the remnants of our fire. We put about, say, 15 to 20 kilos, maybe 25 kilos of wood in it. We've got nothing but ash left, there's no coals or anything. When you're packing these things up, make sure that the fire is completely out. Just by putting your hand near it, you should be able to feel any heat, and this is out. You know, it is cold, so we should be right to empty this out and pack it up. We'll give it a go and see how we go with packing it up. Packing it up should be just as easy as unpacking it and setting it up. Once you've got it rolled up like this, just a matter of grabbing your straps and wrap the straps around it. Keep it in nice and tight. And placing it back in its bag. And we're done. All set up, ready for the next adventure, next fire.